What if I told you there's a simple technique that takes just 1 minute, uses nothing but your own hands, and might help restore the natural response you thought had disappeared years ago? I'm not talking about pills, expensive supplements, or embarrassing doctor visits. I'm talking about working with your body's own natural systems to help reignite circulation, nerve function, and strength, the way nature designed. Well, I'm Dr. Naraya Wolf, urologist and pelvic surgeon, and if you ever face questions or concerns about your urological health, stay with us. We're here to help you understand your body with clarity, compassion, and science-backed guidance. Today, I want to share something that most men don't even know exists, a specific area of your body that, when stimulated correctly, can help support healthy blood flow, nerve activation, and the kind of reliable function you deserve. The best part, you can do this completely privately, at home, starting tonight. Before we dive in, I want you to understand something important. Your body hasn't failed you. As we age, certain systems slow down. That's natural. But that doesn't mean you're broken. Sometimes your body just needs a gentle reminder of how to work efficiently again. And that's exactly what this simple massage technique does. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning with the kind of natural, spontaneous response you haven't experienced in years. No pills, no procedures, no awkward conversations, just your body working the way it's meant to work. Now, I know that might sound too good to be true, but hear me out, because the science behind this is solid, and the technique is surprisingly simple. As we get older, and this happens to nearly every man past 50 or 60, 3 critical systems in our body start to communicate less effectively with each other. First, your brain sends arousal signals. Think of these signals like electrical messages traveling down old telephone wires. Over time, those wires get a little worn out, and the signals don't travel as clearly as they used to. Second, your blood needs to flow freely and powerfully, but your blood vessels become less flexible over the years, almost like garden hoses that have been sitting in the sun too long. They lose some of their elasticity, and blood doesn't rush through as easily. Third, your pelvic floor muscles, the muscles that help you achieve and maintain firmness, start to lose some of their strength and responsiveness. Now, most doctors don't take the time to explain this to you. They might just hand you a prescription and send you on your way. But understanding what's happening in your body is the first step to helping it heal. Here's the thing, this isn't about your body being broken or damaged. Your body just needs a little help remembering how to function efficiently. And that's where this massage technique comes in. Think of it like jump-starting a car battery. You're not replacing the battery, you're just giving it the boost it needs to come back to life. This technique works by stimulating specific pressure points that send direct wake-up signals through your nervous system. It bypasses the slow, worn-out pathways and gives your body's natural systems a direct boost of energy and activation. But it doesn't stop there. This massage also strengthens the deep muscles in your pelvis, the ones that help you maintain firmness once you achieve it. So you're not just turning on the motor, you're keeping it running strong and reliable. Now, I want to be clear about something. This isn't some ancient mystical practice with no scientific backing. This is based on thousands of years of traditional medicine combined with modern understanding of anatomy and physiology. When you stimulate certain pressure points in your body, you're sending direct signals through your nervous system. You're telling your blood vessels to open up, your muscles to relax and respond, and everything to work together smoothly. This is real, this works, and thousands of men have experienced the benefits. All right, let's talk about exactly where this magic spot is located. I'm going to use simple, clear language, no confusing medical jargon. This powerful pressure point is called your perineum. It's located in the small area of skin between your scrotum and your back opening. Some people call it different things, but medically, we call it the perineum. Now here's why this specific spot is so incredibly powerful for restoring male function. Directly beneath this external area, just under the skin, lies your prostate gland and a network of critically important nerves and blood vessels. These nerves and vessels directly control your erectile function and sexual performance. When you massage this spot with the right technique, you're essentially giving your prostate a gentle external massage. You're improving blood flow to your entire pelvic region, and you're activating nerves that may have gone dormant over the years. You're not going inside your body. You're working from the outside, which makes this completely comfortable, safe, and easy to do. This spot is like a hidden control center where important blood flow pathways and nerve signals converge. Stimulating it correctly can help restore the automatic responses you thought were gone forever. How to find your perineum. Finding your perineum is straightforward and simple. Sit comfortably in a chair, or you can lie on your back with your knees bent, whatever position feels most natural and relaxed for you. Take your index and middle fingers and place them in the soft area between your scrotum and your back opening. Press gently, and you'll feel a slight firmness under the skin, almost like a cushion of tissue. That's your perineum, and underneath, just below, is your prostate and those critical nerve pathways. You'll know you found the right spot because it might feel slightly sensitive or tender, especially if you've never massaged this area before. That tenderness is actually a good sign. It means there's some congestion and restricted circulation there that needs to be cleared out and restored to normal. Don't worry if it feels a little strange at first. Most men have never even thought about this area, let alone touched it intentionally. But trust me, when you see the results, any feeling of strangeness will completely disappear. Why this works. The science. Let me explain the actual science behind why this technique works, because understanding it will help keep you motivated and consistent. Your perineal area contains multiple nerve pathways that connect directly to your penis, your prostate, and all the pelvic floor muscles that control firmness and strength. When you massage this specific area with firm pressure, you're stimulating those nerves and sending activation signals throughout your entire pelvic region. Think of it like pressing a reset button. You're waking up systems that have been on standby mode, but you're also increasing blood flow to your prostate gland. When circulation is poor in this area, fluid and cellular waste products can build up in your prostate, causing congestion and restriction. This congestion affects everything downstream. Regular massage helps clear out that congestion and restore healthy flow. Your perineum also sits right on top of your pelvic floor muscles, which are absolutely critical for achieving and maintaining firmness during activity. When you massage this area consistently, you're also indirectly stimulating and strengthening those vital muscles, giving you better control and performance. Now let me walk you through exactly how to perform this powerful 1-minute massage. It's simple and straightforward, but you need to do it correctly to get maximum benefit and avoid any discomfort. Step 1. Get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable chair or lie on your back with your knees bent and your legs spread. You want to be completely relaxed, not tense or rushed. Privacy is important here, so make sure you're in a place where nobody will interrupt or distract you. Step 2. Locate the spot. Use your index and middle fingers together to find your perineum, that soft area between your scrotum and your back opening. Press gently until you feel that slight firmness under the surface. Step 3. Apply firm pressure. Now, this is important for results. The pressure needs to be firm and steady, but never painful. Think of it like pressing a doorbell that's a little stuck. You need enough pressure to activate it, but you're not trying to break it. Start with lighter pressure and gradually increase as the area warms up and responds. Step 4. Slow circular motion. Once you've established that firm, steady pressure, begin moving your fingers in small, slow circular motions. Do clockwise circles for 30 seconds, feeling the tissue under your fingers warm up and respond. Then switch to counterclockwise circles for another 30 seconds. Keep the firm pressure consistent the entire time. Step 5. Breathe deeply. While you're massaging, take slow, deep breaths to enhance the circulation boost. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 2 counts, then exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. This deep breathing helps your entire pelvic region relax and respond better. The complete technique. That's it. 60 seconds total. 30 seconds of clockwise circles. 30 seconds of counterclockwise circles. With firm, steady pressure and deep, relaxed breathing. Simple, effective, powerful. When and how often. Consistency is absolutely crucial for seeing real results. Let me give you the exact timing that works best. I recommend performing this massage twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. Your morning session, ideally while you're still in bed and your body is naturally relaxed, helps wake up your entire pelvic region and get healthy blood flow moving for the day ahead. Your evening session helps clear out any congestion that built up during the day and promotes strong circulation throughout the night. You can also do this massage approximately 15 to 20 minutes before sexual activity. The immediate increase in blood flow from the massage can help you achieve stronger, firmer responses when the moment arrives. The key is making this a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. One massage won't transform everything overnight, but consistent daily practice over 2 to 4 weeks can create remarkable, noticeable improvements. Let me be completely honest with you about realistic expectations, because I want you to know exactly what you might experience at each stage. First few days. In the first few days, many men report feeling increased warmth and mild awakening in their pelvic area. You might notice a slight tingling sensation, or just a general feeling of increased circulation down there. Week 1. By the end of week 1, you might start noticing that morning firmness is returning or becoming noticeably stronger. This is a great sign that circulation is improving and your body is responding to the stimulation. You might also notice increased sensitivity during any intimate moments. Weeks 2 to 3. By weeks 2 to 3, most men report clear, obvious improvements in firmness, strength, and how long things last. Things that used to require significant mental effort or physical assistance start happening more naturally and automatically, like they did years ago. Week 4. By week 4, many men experience what feels like a complete restoration of normal function. Responses become firmer, last longer, and happen more quickly and reliably. Sensitivity increases, and overall confidence takes a life-changing boost. Important note, results vary from person to person based on your individual condition. If you've been dealing with severe circulation issues for many years, it might take a little longer to see significant changes. If your issues are more recent, you might see faster improvements. The key is consistency and patience with the process. Once you've mastered the basic technique and it feels natural, here are some advanced tips to boost your results even further. First, you can use a small amount of natural oil or lotion on your fingers to reduce friction and make the massage more comfortable. Coconut oil works beautifully, or any natural, unscented massage oil. Second, you can combine this perineal massage with simple pelvic floor exercises, also called Kegel exercises. After you finish your 60-second massage, do 10 to 15 Kegel squeezes. Contract the muscles you use to stop urination midstream, hold for 3 seconds, then release completely. This combination is incredibly powerful for restoring strength. Third, keep your body well hydrated throughout the day. Good circulation requires good hydration. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep everything flowing properly. Fourth, consider doing this massage while taking a warm bath or shower. The warm water helps your pelvic muscles relax and enhances blood flow throughout the entire area, making the massage more effective and comfortable. Important safety information. Now, I need to give you some important safety information before you start. First, never massage this area if you're experiencing sharp pain, infection, or inflammation. If your perineum is extremely painful to touch, or if you have any open wounds or sores in this area, skip this technique entirely and see a doctor immediately. Second, if you have enlarged prostate, prostatitis, or any diagnosed prostate condition, speak with your urologist before starting this massage routine. In most cases, it's completely safe and even beneficial, but I want you to make sure it's appropriate for your specific medical situation. Third, don't overdo it. Thinking more is better. Twice daily for 60 seconds each time is enough. Massaging too aggressively or too frequently can actually cause irritation and inflammation, which is the opposite of what we're trying to achieve. Fourth, and most importantly, this technique is not a substitute for proper medical treatment. If you have severe dysfunction, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, or other serious health conditions, you absolutely must work with your doctor. This massage is a complement to proper medical care, not a replacement for it. Gentlemen, you don't have to accept declining function and weak responses as an inevitable part of aging. Your body still has incredible capacity for healing, responding, and performing when you give it the right stimulation and support. This perineal massage is one of the simplest, most effective, and completely free techniques you can use to restore circulation, activate dormant nerves, and reclaim the natural strength and confidence you thought were gone forever. It takes 60 seconds. It requires no equipment or supplements. It can be done in complete privacy. And it's backed by thousands of years of traditional wisdom and modern understanding of male anatomy and physiology. Tonight, before you go to sleep, take 60 seconds to locate your perineum and perform this simple but powerful massage. Then do it again tomorrow morning when you wake up. Make it automatic and routine, just like any other daily habit. Your body is still capable of remarkable performance. It just needs direct stimulation to wake up those circulation pathways and restore what's always been there, waiting to respond. If you found this information helpful, I'd like to ask you to do 3 things right now. Give this video a like so more men can discover this natural, effective approach. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because I share practical health strategies like this regularly. And I really want to hear from you. Leave a comment and tell me if you've tried any type of pelvic massage before. And if you commit to this 30-day challenge, come back after a month and share your results. Your experience and success might inspire another man to take that critical first step. Remember, caring for your intimate health is caring for your overall health and quality of life. Every step you take toward better circulation and stronger pelvic muscles pays off in ways you'll notice both in the bedroom and in your daily confidence and energy. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll share more natural ways to maintain your vitality and performance as you age. Until then, take very good care of yourself. You deserve to feel confident, strong, and energized at any age.